How to find a CPA offer that will convert. Maybe this is the easiest way. Well, no, I don't think this is gonna work out. But what will? Let me give you some tips. Tip number 1. Find a reliable CPA aggregator, and instead of checking different offers and CPA networks one by one, you can simply compare them all using aggregators. Like here, I am showing you the one called Alldigger. Tip number 2. Check the offer conditions. These will give you a hint and answer very important questions such as, what ad formats can I use? And do you know how to use them? What traffic types are accepted? Paid, social, email traffic? Am I experienced enough to work with these traffic sources? Where should users come from? Do I know anything about the required geos? What will count as a conversion? Install, click, registration, FTD? How many leads can I attract per day? Maybe there are some limitations. So as you understand, you have enough different tools to meet the offer's terms. Then, it will most likely convert. So go for it. Tip number 3. Join Propeller Ads. We're the biggest advertising network. Oops, sorry guys, wrong text. Tip number 3. Check the seasonality. I mean, is it New Year's Eve and the offer is about some special festive sales? Then it should convert, correct? It's the hottest summer ever and your offer is about thermal socks, gloves. Not sure then? And my final set of tips. Join Propeller Ads to get access to high quality traffic that converts. I left the link in the description. Read our blog to learn more marketing hacks and insights. That's another link in the description. And finally, subscribe to this channel to meet me and my lovely colleagues more often. I mean, to learn more about media buying, affiliate marketing, and advertising. See you and stay hydrated.